Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to Rancher on a VPS using local access, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect to Rancher on a VPS using local access, begin by accessing your VPS via SSH. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use the SSH command with your VPS username and IP address. For example, type SSH user at your _VPS_IP. Enter your password when prompted. Once logged in, ensure Docker is installed on your VPS. You can do this by running the command docker version. If Docker is not installed, follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Next, pull the Rancher container image. Use the command docker run d restart equals unless stopped p80:80 p443:443 rancher/rancher. This command runs Rancher in detached mode. It maps the necessary ports for web access. Wait a few moments for the container to start. You can check the status of your container by running docker ps. Once the container is running, open your web browser. In the address bar, enter the URL of your VPS. If you mapped ports correctly, you should see the Rancher UI. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Rancher server. Once setup is complete, you can begin managing your containers. For local access, ensure you're on the same network as your Rancher server. You can retrieve the Rancher server's IP address by running curl ifconfig.me in your VPS terminal. Use this IP address to access Rancher from your local machine. This method allows you to manage your container orchestration effectively. Ensure that your firewall allows traffic on the necessary ports. Regularly check for updates to the Rancher software. Stay informed about security practices when managing your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.